Hi everyone, today is the day that I get my haircut, which I am excited about. So I have to get going very shortly so I can make my 10 a.m. appointment. So I just have my hair in this little bun. So I am excited to get it done. I haven't gotten it done since July of last year. So I basically only go to the salon probably about once a year. I don't go there that often unless I need a trim. Otherwise, I am more than capable of doing my hair myself. So, but I need a trim and yeah, the stylist that I've been going to for the past few years, she used to work in the salon and she was the only black stylist there. So now she has her own salon, which is really exciting. It's in the city. It's about 20 minutes or so away from me, but there could be a little bit of traffic. It is Mother's Day today. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, but I'm not a mother and I didn't realize when I booked the appointment that it was Mother's Day. So hopefully it's not too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going and I will take you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, so I did just get here. I'm actually in a parking garage, so I just decided to park in the parking garage because it just makes my life easier than trying to find street parking. But yeah, I am in the city. This is why I hate coming to the city, because it's always like annoying trying to park somewhere and then you have to pay for parking, of course, but it's whatever. But I did get here super early. I have about 20 minutes or so before my appointment starts, so I'm just gonna wait in the car for a little bit. Yeah, because I don't want to go down there and just be sitting there, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit. So sorry about the lighting. It's probably super dark because I'm in this is a parking garage. Yeah, but when you guys see me again, my hair will be beautiful and it will be done and I will have a nice haircut. And as soon as I get done with my appointments, I will show you guys my hair. I'm not going to take you guys with me because you know how some stylists could be like a little bit uncomfortable with you filming in there. They're like, why are you filming? What is this for? So I'm just like, okay, I won't film in there. I will just film after my appointment to make everybody's life easier. So I will see you guys after my appointment. Hi everyone, I am back and here is what my hair is looking like. Sorry if the lighting is bad, but I just got some curls put in and I just got a trim. I decided to just get a regular old trim like I normally do and not to get layers, just keep everything one length. So here is what my hair is looking like. I look so pretty. It's so shiny. But yeah, I am liking it. What do you guys think? So here it is, you guys. Let me know what you think about my hair. And she said I didn't need that much trimmed off, which I thought I needed like 3 inches. Like, I always think I need way more trim than I actually do, but she said I only needed about 1 inch, which my ends didn't look bad at all to her. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. I feel so much better. And let me know what you guys think about what my hair is looking like. And I will talk to you guys soon.